just always feel like there is something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl. Hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, but shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice how much you need. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good love, come through the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Every time you come around, shut down like computers. Let's play a little, just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My big son.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a review for Beautyforever hair, and today I'm reviewing this glueless unit. However, I wasn't able to do a glueless install, but we'll get into that in a minute. And I want to say that this is like it is a closure unit, but it's a little bit wider than your typical 4x4. You do get a lot of space on this unit, which I absolutely love. And this unit also comes pre-plucked. And because most of the work is done for you, I would definitely say that this is a beginner friendly unit. This is a unit that'll work for anyone. You don't have to be a professional. You can easily apply this unit in as little as like 5 minutes, you guys. So doesn't take long, doesn't need a lot of work. So there really isn't any customizing that needs to be done when it comes to this unit because everything is done for you. This unit is also a breathable unit. That way your natural scalp can breathe while you're wearing the unit, which is very important, you know, because a lot of times, you know, we're wearing these, we're just kind of like throwing them on and off. We're wearing them for a long period of time sometimes, and during that time you need to make sure that you are allowing your hair to breathe. So I do like that about it. And this unit is obviously a curly unit, a perfect unit for the summertime. As you guys saw, I didn't add any baby hairs in today's unit, specifically because I wanted you guys to see how beautifully pre-plucked this unit is, how natural it looks, how well the lace melts. And I didn't want to cover all of that up with a bunch of baby hairs. I know that probably would have made the video a little bit longer for you guys, but nonetheless, not every curly unit, not every unit in general needs to have baby hair. So I did a baby hair free look for you guys today, and I showed you guys just how quick and easy this unit is to apply. Anyone can do it. Now, I did use some Got2b spray to adhere my unit. However, this is a glueless unit. The only reason why I had to do that is just because I have a smaller head, and a lot of these units tend to fit very large on me. And I even adjusted the strap inside like the entire way across, and it's still a little bit big on me, like even in the back here. I wish that when they made these units that they kept the adjustable straps in the very back, because I need this back piece to be tight and like down on my head, because The comb that's in here, it's a hook that like goes underneath your braids, but you still have a lot of space like on the side. So it's like only the center part in the back is down, but the rest of it is very loose fitting. So I would just say if you do order this unit and you have a smaller head, or you tend to need a smaller size in general for your units, or you just like them to be really snug and tight, I would definitely let you know that this unit is big head friendly and not small head friendly. And you will definitely need to make sure that you do not cut that comb out in the back, because that's the only thing that's going to keep your unit down in the back. The adjustable straps that are inside, they're like installed further up in the unit, and they're not attached to the back of the unit. So it's like this really big gap back here. And for me, that would be like the only con that I have with this unit, because outside of that, I really do like the texture. Like I said, I think it's a perfect summertime unit. You guys know it is a summertime. A lot of people are going on vacations. A lot of people are going to pool parties. You're going to the beach. And this is just the perfect unit for all of those occasions. And it's obviously great for just, you know, a pick up and go. There isn't a lot of styling that needs to be involved with the unit like this. You do have to keep up with like the maintenance, make sure that you are keeping the hair moisturized, conditioning the hair, making sure that you do wear a silk bonnet at night. But other than that, I would say that this unit is very quick and easy to install, because you don't have to style it. You know, if you have like a straight haired unit or a body wave unit, you would have to refresh your curls or re-straighten your hair in the morning, which causes like heat damage and things like that to the hair. But with something like this, you know, you don't have to worry about any heat damage whatsoever. You just want to make sure that you're on top of that maintenance and making sure that you're detangling the hair and keeping it moisturized. And anytime you detangle it, make sure you start from the very ends, like comb from the ends, and then work your way up to the root. You never want to comb like straight from here all the way down. Now let's go ahead and get into the parting space on this unit. I don't know if this is like a 6x5, or I think this might be one of those 6 inches by 4.5 like down the center, because they do give you a lot of space, you guys. So I am going to go ahead and zoom you guys up so you guys can get into this, because I am thoroughly impressed with the lace and the way that they pre-plucked this unit. When I tell you guys I did not have to pick up a pair of tweezers, honey, to make this unit look this good, I am so happy about that, because that also means that you too can have the same exact flawless install. Okay, so let's come up a little bit closer though so you guys can get into this lace and this hairline. So now that we're up close and personal, you guys can definitely see exactly what I'm talking about here. Like, it's so perfectly pre-plucked. The lace melts so good, and I only like pushed this part back. I could have did like this other half over here, but I kind of like the fact that this piece here was like going down or whatever. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's so bomb, so natural looking. They did their thing with the plucking, and I like the fact that even though they plucked this unit, it's not over plucked, because I've had other units that are pre-plucked, but to me they just come off just a little bit too much. In my part here, I did put some concealer in it, and that was just to help it stand out a little bit more than what it was looking like, because you know, you could see a part, but it wasn't really like giving what it was supposed to give. So this is what it is looking like with the concealer in the part, and I really feel like that helps it a lot, you know. But yeah, and this is an up close look at the curls. I didn't use any curl product in this hair. This is how the hair naturally dries, and it dries absolutely beautifully. I love this curl pattern. Definitely on the hotter side though, so I would say if you do wear this unit, just know it's going to keep you a little bit warm, because it is so full and such a tight curl pattern. And as far as the density on this unit, let me see, I pull all the hair up front. So this is all of it up front. I would say this is possibly like 180% density. I don't think it's anything more than that, anything less than that. You know, it's just the perfect amount of hair. I feel like if it was thicker than this, it would almost be too much. You know, it'd definitely be a little bit overwhelming. And then if you wanted to, with a unit like this, you can definitely like cut it into a bob. So if you're not like feeling the length for this one, I would say this is possibly like a 22 to a 24 inch. I don't think it's anything longer than that. But if you wanted to, you can like cut it to like right here, you know, have you a cute little bob, okay, for the summertime, if you don't want something so long. And the reason why I personally would prefer to like order something longer and then cut it to the length that you want is because sometimes when you get like curly bobs and they're already like the length, sometimes they're just like a little bit on the thinner side and they just don't give like the fullness that you need. So if you have something like this, you can cut it and it'll be like the same like fullness all the way across. So that's just that. But yeah, this is how it looks. So pretty. I'm not sure of this curl pattern. I would say this is like a jerry curly type of texture. Very, very tight curl, very pretty. And as you guys see, it is melted and laid, honey. And then look at how much space you get. Like the lace goes, like the tracks start here. But like, look at how that lace looks. The lace melts so bomb. Okay, same thing over here. Pull that hair back. Y'all see my makeup showing right there, but y'all see where the lace ends or whatever. With my hair down, you can't even see all of that, but y'all see how far back my part goes. It's just a great unit, especially if you want a closure unit that actually gives you more parting space, because a lot of times when you have closures, it's just like right there and you can't really do much with it. But something like this, you can definitely wear it off to the side as a side part. You can definitely put 2 ponytails in it. I have a tutorial on how to put a closure into 2 ponytails, girl. It's very much so possible. So definitely check that video out. And yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I really enjoy this unit. I would stand up so you guys can see where it hits on me, but I feel like you can already see where it's hitting on me. I don't feel like I need to do that today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Beautyforever Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing unit. And if you guys are looking for a glueless closure unit for the summertime, for your vacations, that is quick and easy to install for anybody, and it's affordable, okay? If you guys are interested, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.